Guys, good morning. Today I am going to go over your week 5 warm-up with you. So this was yesterday's warm-up, which was Monday's, and this is the one we're going to use to practice with and learn our techniques so that we can continue on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to keep practicing. Remember, you can come back to this video as many times as you need on whatever day you need to do it. And then hopefully on Friday you will be more than ready to take your quiz for a grade. Okay, so our first problem says to write the expression in exponential form. Okay, so exponential might be a new word for you. And exponential is basically just a way of saying rewrite 2 times 2 times 2 using an exponent. And if you remember our lesson from the other day, we learned that we use powers with exponents, and our big number, so I'm going to just put, let's go with 10. Our big number is our base. And the base is the number that you're going to actually use to do the math. And then the little number, we'll put a 5. That is our exponent, right? And that tells us how many times we're going to use our base, okay? So when I look at 2 times 2 times 2, I should automatically know that there's only one number it's telling me. So that one number has to be my base, okay? So my base is going to be 2. And then when I look at the problem, how many times am I using the base? 1, 2, 3. I see the base 3 times, so that means my exponent is 3. So when I write my answer in exponential form, my answer is 2 to the 3rd power, or 2 cubed. Okay, so let's look at number 3. In number 2. In number 2, I'm asking you to solve 2 to the 3rd, or 2 cubed. So you have to solve it. That means you're actually going to do the math. What is 2 cubed? So 2 cubed is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. And when you get 2 times 2 times 2, you need to go 2 times 2 equals 4. And then 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay? So again, it's 2 times 2 equals 4. And then you have to do, so we did 1, 2. Now we have to do one more 2. We have to use it one more time. So we'll do 4 times 2, and that equals 8. So my answer to number 2 is 8. Okay, then we get to number 3. Okay, so number 3 is a word problem. Should look somewhat familiar. All right, for number 3, it says the total cost for 11 students to go on a trip was $2,431. Each student paid the same amount. What was the cost per student to go on the trip? So as you're looking at this, hopefully you're saying, oh, okay, this is a division problem because I have to figure out how much each student is paying. So that means I'm going to divide 2,431 by 11. Okay, so 11 goes into 24 2 times. And 2 times 11 is 22. I subtract that, and that gives me 2. And I need to bring down my 3, and 11 goes into 23 2 times. We know the answer to that one. 2 times 11 is 22. Subtract that. Now I'm left with 1, and I bring down my 1. And 11 goes into 11 one time. So my answer is $221. So the correct answer for this problem would be B. All right. Same problems for the rest of the week. You're just going to keep practicing them, and then you'll be ready on Friday.